Money may not be the root of all evil, but it certainly has the power to influence the dynamics of a marriage. Finances are a common source of stress and contention for couples worldwide. This video will go into the ways in which money can affect your marriage and explores the sobering statistics that link financial problems to divorce. After adultery, arguments about money are the most common reason for divorce. Over half of all couples face financial difficulties before they even tie the knot. Although 43% of married couples have started out in the red, 86% of those who have been married for 5 years or less have done so, making the younger group twice as likely to start out in the red. 63% of those with debts of $50,000 or more are more likely to avoid discussing their financial situation. Nearly half, 47% of those who have consumer debt report feeling stressed or anxious as a result. Credit card debt, student loan debt, auto loan debt, medical loan debt, home equity loan debt, 401k loan debt, and tax debt are all examples of consumer debt as described in this research. Let's address the financial stress within marriage. Finances play a significant role in the health and longevity of a marriage. Money-related stress can manifest in various ways, including arguments, anxiety, and even marital breakdown. When couples find themselves struggling to manage their finances, it can create tension and strain that affects the overall quality of their relationship. One partner's financial habits and attitudes towards money may differ significantly from the other's. These disparities can lead to disagreements about spending, saving, and long-term financial goals. If left unaddressed, these conflicts can escalate, creating a rift between partners. In contrast to the 44% of respondents whose marriage is either okay or in crisis, the 94% whose marriage is described as great report discussing financial goals with their partner. 87% of those who rate the quality of their marriage as great also report that they and their partner collaborate on financial planning. Let's talk about the impact of communication and money. Effective communication is vital in any marriage, and money can either facilitate or hinder it. Financial issues often act as a catalyst for communication breakdowns. Couples may avoid discussing money due to discomfort or fear of judgment, which can lead to misunderstandings and unmet expectations. In some cases, one partner may feel financially marginalized, leading to resentment and frustration. Open, honest conversations about money are essential to maintain a healthy, thriving marriage. Lack of communication around financial matters can strain a relationship and erode trust. The key factor is to not avoid the conversation about money within your relationship. Let's talk about trust and deception. Financial dishonesty can be a severe threat to a marriage. One partner hiding debts, spending recklessly, or concealing their financial situation can lead to broken trust. Trust is the bedrock of a strong marriage, and when it's compromised, it can be challenging to rebuild. Of those who report having a fight with their relationship about money, 1/3 say they hid a purchase from their partner because they knew their partner would not agree. Financial infidelity is surprisingly common. In a survey by the National Endowment for Financial Education, more than 40% of respondents admitted to committing financial deceptions against their partners. Such deception can have a profound and lasting impact on a marriage. Now let's talk about the link between money problems and divorce. The correlation between financial problems and divorce is striking. Various studies and statistics reinforce this connection. A study by the American Psychological Association found that 31% of adults who reported money as a major source of conflict in their relationship also stated that they had ended a relationship due to those financial conflicts. According to data from the National Center for Biotechnology Information, NCBI, couples who argue about finances at least once a week are 30% more likely to divorce compared to those who have fewer financial conflicts. Research by the Institute for Divorce Financial Analysts indicates that financial issues are one of the top 3 leading causes of divorce, alongside infidelity and communication problems. In conclusion, it's abundantly clear that finances wield a substantial influence over the dynamics of a marriage. The strain that financial issues can introduce, including tension, communication breakdowns, and trust issues, serves as a formidable challenge that has the potential to erode the very foundation of a relationship. However, it's crucial to understand that these challenges need not spell doom for a marriage. In fact, they can serve as opportunities for growth, learning, and strengthening the bond between partners. By addressing financial issues head-on and embracing a proactive approach to managing money within the relationship, couples can mitigate the negative impacts of financial stress. Seeking financial counseling when needed is a commendable step that demonstrates a commitment to resolving issues together. Professional guidance can provide valuable insights, helping couples make informed decisions and navigate complex financial landscapes with greater ease. At the heart of managing financial challenges within a marriage lies the bedrock of open and honest communication. The willingness to engage in difficult conversations, share individual financial philosophies, and align financial goals can foster unity, understanding, and cooperation. Recognizing the importance of financial compatibility, which involves respecting each other's financial habits and priorities, is another key to success. Striving to work together as a team in managing finances ensures that both partners have a say in financial decisions and are actively contributing to the relationship's financial well-being. In the end, love and understanding should always stand as the guiding principles that trump the power of the purse. While finances can create turbulence in a marriage, the strength of a loving, supportive partnership can weather these storms. By acknowledging the influence of money on a relationship, and by actively working together to overcome financial obstacles, couples can emerge stronger, their commitment deepened by their ability to navigate the complexities of their financial journey hand in hand. In this way, the power of love and unity can ultimately prevail over any financial challenges, ensuring that money never becomes a source of irreparable conflict, but rather a source of growth and resilience within a marriage. In our next video, we will discuss some healthy tips to help manage money within your marriage. Thanks for watching Motivate My Marriage. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and share.